Hello, and thank you for joining me for the CAV Energy Introductory presentation. My name is Ellis Peterson, and our goal today is to give you a basic understanding of our groundbreaking harnessed cavitation technology. On a personal note, I want to say how excited we are to be bringing this incredible technology to you and to the world. The most important technological advancement in modern history is the harnessing of electricity. It's changed the modern world in countless ways. Without it, there'd be no advanced materials, no computing, no medical advancements. Cavitation, much like electricity, is a force of nature. And in very much the same way, harnessing the untapped power of cavitation will transform our world in countless beneficial ways. So let's talk about what cavitation actually is. Cavitation is a natural event that's occurring in ocean waves and rivers around the world at this very moment. But we were basically unaware of its existence until the industrial age, when engineers realized that some mysterious force with obviously immense power was destroying the hardened steel propellers of ocean-going ships and the impeller blades of hydroelectric dams. Researchers discovered that under certain low-pressure conditions in a moving liquid, the formation of microscopic bubbles, or cavities, can occur. And when pressure is reapplied to that liquid, those microscopic bubbles can collapse and release enormous amounts of energy, and not just one, but 4 different types of energy. Mechanical energy in the form of shock waves, thermal heat energy, acoustic energy, even light energy. Well, some very intelligent engineers understood that where there is power, there is also opportunity. Our patented harnessed cavitation reactor creates and controls the cavitation event, and it does so in such a way that the reactor itself is unharmed. The arrows in this high-speed photography image on the left point to the creation of cavitation clouds. So let's talk in a little more detail about what's actually happening. Well, first of all, another very important upside to our technology is the fact that we achieve our cavitation goals with a very minimal amount of power input and no chemical input. It's a chemical-free, low-power solution, and with it, we achieve rapid and very large pressure swings happening hundreds of times a second, and localized temperatures of up to 15,000 degrees Kelvin. That's twice the temperature of the surface of the sun. And this is occurring simultaneously in millions of locations around the reactor. How can our technology be put to work in real-world applications? Well, our process is extremely effective across a wide range of industries, and more applications are being identified daily. From food processing and industrial wastewater remediation, to increased efficiency and speed of biofuel production, to the remediation of produced water from oil fields and fracking. For today's purposes, we'll focus on industrial and food processing wastewater. The level of contamination in wastewater is determined by several standard markers. When wastewater is processed through the CAV-X reactor, all of these levels are addressed and dramatically reduced. BOD and COD are basically a measuring stick for the concentration of organic matter in wastewater. The CAV-X system's powerful shearing force macerates organic matter at a molecular level, allowing for almost complete digestion by bacteria. This reduces BOD and COD levels by as much as 80%. The cavitation process also destroys suspended solids at a molecular level. The solids are attacked by cavitation's thermal and mechanical energy, solubilizing the solids to reduce TSS levels by as much as 90%. FOGs are a central issue in wastewater. Removing fats, oils, and grease from wastewater can only be partially achieved with today's technology by using expensive chemicals and extreme amounts of heat and energy. The cavitation process breaks those bonds of emulsion and separates the FOGs out of the wastewater with impressive efficiency. We have reliably demonstrated FOG reductions of over 96%, virtually removing all but trace amounts of FOGs from the wastewater. A poultry processing customer of ours, already being fined by their municipality, was recently hit with an additional FOG regulation. They must get their FOG level below 100 milligrams per liter, or that fine will increase. We have successfully reduced their FOG level from 562 milligrams per liter to just 15.3 milligrams per liter. That's over a 97% reduction. And again, these results are achieved without any chemicals and with very low power input. We understand that the best way to provide meaningful information and results to our customers is through on-site testing of their actual wastewater. This is why we created our mobile CAV Energy Test Unit and have been touring the U.S., scheduling appointments, and performing free on-site harnessed cavitation testing. For more information and to schedule an on-site testing appointment, email us at info@cav-energy.com. Thank you for your time.